This is an unmanned surface vessel from Ukraine, developed by servicemen of the 40th Separate Coastal Defense Brigade. The vessel is named Barracuda. It features a modular design, allowing it to operate both in a strike configuration with rocket launchers and as a platform for laying naval mines. The vessel is currently equipped with 4 unguided rockets, providing a limited strike capability. However, if integrated with FPV drones, its lethality could increase significantly. In addition to strike operations, the Barracuda can also conduct reconnaissance missions and be armed with surface-to-air missiles, as demonstrated previously with the use of fire-and-forget R-73 heat-seeking missiles. A notable feature of the vessel is its rubber-coated top surface, designed to reduce its infrared signature, as this small craft can be detected by Russian defenses.